Through the testing that we did with a lot of different exhaust systems on the Bronco platform, we couldn't find any design that we really liked. So we decided that we were going to make our own to get exactly the sound that we wanted. We're proud to introduce the Steeda Axle Back for the 2.3 liter and 2.7 liter Bronco. Here in front of me is the Bronco 2.3 liter and 2.7 liter axle back exhaust from Steeda. This exhaust here features a brushed finish and it's constructed out of T304 stainless steel. You're going to notice beautiful welds and this embossed Steeda logo that's going to be visible on your Bronco, especially if it's lifted. These hanger locations were specifically designed to fit either the 2.3 liter or the 2.7, so it will fit both engines. It has a 2.5 inch inlet and a 3 inch outlet. Now we send out this exhaust without an exhaust tip because we wanted to keep maximum clearance on the system, but you can pick up a 3 inch inlet exhaust tip to best match your Bronco. Now we've done a ton of Bronco exhaust videos, so we had an idea what they all sounded like and we knew we wanted to do something unique. So we had two main goals with this unique muffler. We wanted to tone down the rasp and the drone that's in the system. And then we wanted to add more grunt to really bring out the tough look of the Bronco. Now that we've taken a look at the features and the construction of this exhaust system, let's head to the back and install this on a 2.3 liter Bronco. Here are the tools required for installation. Start by spraying soapy water on the rubber isolators. Repeat on the other side. Then, using the 15mm socket, loosen the factory exhaust clamp. It helps to use a pry tool to remove the rubber isolator from the exhaust hanger. Then, moving the exhaust back and forth, work the muffler out from the factory piping. Now install the Steeda Axle Back. When installing the axle back, you may need to work the muffler up and down to make sure it is fully seated. Install the exhaust isolators onto the hangers. If you have a Bronco equipped with the 2.3 liter engine, you will use the innermost exhaust hanger. If your Bronco is equipped with the 2.7 liter engine, you will use the outermost exhaust hanger. Retighten the factory exhaust clamp with a 15mm socket. Torque the exhaust clamp to 45 foot-pounds. After that, your installation is complete. So installation was pretty easy for this Bronco Axle Back exhaust. Bronco's already a high vehicle, so you may not even have to put it on jack stands. It helps to have some soapy water nearby so that you can get those exhaust hangers off. But after that, it's really just one bolt for an exhaust clamp and 2 hangers, and this exhaust system will drop out and you can slip the new one in. So with this system, you should notice a really deep sound with a little bit extra grunt compared to some of the other systems on the market. You also notice a little bit less interior noise as you're starting the vehicle and at low RPMs, making this perfect for anybody that daily drives their Bronco but still wants a little bit more of an aggressive sound. If your Bronco spends more time off-road than on-road, no worries. This system is high clearance to give you that rear clearance and that departure angle that you need while on the trail. So if you're looking to give your Bronco a completely unique sound that is fine-tuned to the EcoBoost engines, look no further than the Steeda Axle Back exhaust. You can find this exhaust system at steeda.com or in the description below. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.